Now more than ever, we need new ways to collaborate and innovate.
Please welcome and give a big round of applause, a Zoom round of applause to Dr. Lior Zoref.
Hi everyone, we are live! Thank you for joining me in the interactive studio for a virtual experience. Welcome to the virtual studio, where we do immersive virtual keynotes and workshops. We provide the highest production value available with stage lighting and multiple camera angles to create an on-stage experience that's engaging, entertaining, and leaves your people inspired. This is not your typical Zoom meeting or another webinar. After delivering hundreds of virtual keynotes during the past 10 years, we've developed the ultimate learning experience. We use polls and virtual breakout rooms to create an engaging experience full of live interaction where everyone participates. We even have an ox.
Hey Lior, as you can see, we have many cows here.
Just because it's virtual, it doesn't mean it needs to lack in quality. Now more than ever, we need stronger teams that look out for each other and understand the power of collaboration and innovation during times of uncertainty. If the virtual platform is something you're considering for your next virtual event, please let us know how we can help. I am confident that what we've created here will leave your people energized, motivated, and inspired, because in the end, we are smarter than me.
Last week we did an exercise which was quite new to us with Dr. Lior Zoref. How can we actually get our team all motivated and engaged in telling us what they think we need to do? Even after the session, a day, 2 days, and 3 days later, people were still running in with ideas, sending us via email. For me, it proved a new reality also of training by way of engaging our employees, telling them what the problem is, and then getting their insights and ownership into the situation.